If you want to turn off address autofill in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stop Firefox from saving and automatically filling in your address details. This is really useful if you want more privacy, fewer pop-ups, or you simply don't want your browser suggesting old address information every time you fill out a form. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button with the three horizontal lines. This is where Firefox keeps most of its settings and browser controls. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side. Click Passwords and Autofill. This section controls the information Firefox can store and automatically enter for you, including passwords, payment details, and addresses. Now scroll down until you find the section called Addresses and More. Here, you'll see the option labeled Save and Autofill Addresses. By default, this may be turned on so Firefox can remember address details and fill them in for you later. To turn off address autofill, simply untick the box next to Save and Autofill Addresses. As soon as you do that, Firefox will stop storing and suggesting address information in web forms. That means your address details won't automatically appear the next time you check out or fill out a registration form. And that's it. You've successfully turned off address autofill in Firefox. If you ever want to turn it back on again, just come back to the same setting and tick the box once more. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Firefox tips, browser fixes, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.